hopeful. Bye-bye. How you doing, man? Hey guys, welcome to Costco. I know it's a big shocker I'm at Costco, but I just left Whole Foods doing a video. Wanted to come to Costco, needed to pick up some staple items for my house. And I wanted to show you a little side-by-side comparison of some of the chips and some of the things I saw at Whole Foods. I think there's gonna be a big difference. You'll see that. So without further talking, let's go shopping. You know, something that goes, I think, overlooked. I've never seen anyone talk about it. Now, granted, there are some bad ingredients sometimes in rotisserie chickens, but this is just a package of rotisserie chicken, pulled and vacuum packed. This is an incredible little thing. I've never tried it, but it looks like a great little item. $15.99, that's $5.56 per pound. So just a great idea for the Super Bowl. Take that with some Primal Kitchen buffalo sauce, cream cheese, make an incredible buffalo chicken dip. That would be incredible. Well guys, highly disappointing. There are no eggs anywhere to be found. I am out of my egg whites, so this is going to be a challenge, but unfortunately, hopefully this will end soon, the avian flu issue. So I ran out of my yogurt and love this yogurt. I know it's not organic, but this is one of my favorite yogurts. It actually tastes absolutely amazing. And I have a feeling they're not gonna carry it for long. Still 15 grams of protein, only 5 grams of sugar from the lactose. But again, 48-ounce container, and it's, what is this one? It's $5.79. That's an incredible price. Not sure if I covered this the other day, but there are some nice little sales that I don't see all the time. This is the Healthy Choice Organic Fudge Bars, $8.99, 18 count. Now it's a little higher in sugar than I like, but it's still a better option for you if you're looking for something. 8 grams of added sugar in one bar. It's a little high for me, but again, it's a healthier option for people who just need to have that dessert. 100 calories, that's nice. And it's all organic ingredients, so just another option for you. So walking through the grocery store with the camera going, and I have this cool little contraption on the cart where I can allow my camera to be on it, and people still look at me like I have 3 heads, although sometimes people are pretty cool about it and they actually will stop and talk about it. But it's funny, the younger generation, everything they do seems to be communicating through pictures. My son, being a 16-year-old, always on the camera, always on the phone. But it's the older generation that kind of looks at you funny, like, what are you doing? Now guys, if you're looking for a great little gluten-free option for pizza at Costco, this is a great one. The Milton's Roasted Vegetable is a cauliflower crust pizza, has the red zucchini, red, yellow, and green bell peppers, onions, 3 cheese blend. Just take a look at these ingredients though, the beautiful ingredients. It's just cauliflower, low mozzarella cheese. There is rice flour, tapioca starch, and rice starch. Those are binders. They're basically just gonna keep it together. You have the egg whites, modified rice starch. Again, allow this to bind together, but touch of cane sugar, but the only 1 gram of added sugar in a quarter of the pizza. There's 8 servings in one pizza, 2-pack. It's a great little option, $13.89. It's not on sale, it's a great option. And this is gonna be just like something you'll see if you watch the video from Whole Foods. I did one on there, and this is another option just for Costco shoppers. This is a great little tool. Well guys, I just spotted something I think I might have missed out on last week. 7 Sundays Nut Granola. This is the Daydream Mix. This is the dark chocolate raspberry. It's on sale. It's actually on sale until the 16th. And it has the asterisk, so it's gonna be discontinued, but $8.99 for this 20-ounce bag. Phenomenal deal. Beautiful ingredients as always. Almonds, coconut, sunflower seeds, dates, pecans, pumpkin seeds, coconut oil, flax seeds, chia, dark chocolate, cocoa powder, raspberry vanilla extract, and sea salt. Less than 1 gram of added sugar in a third of a cup, 160 calories. Great little product here. I love these. So I think anything that 7 Sundays does is always pretty top notch. They take a lot of pride in the ingredients they use. Yeah, unfortunately the PB Fit is off sale. That was just a little flash sale. I apologize. I didn't talk about how quick it was. I should have mentioned the price it was on sale for and the duration of that sale, but it will be on sale again. It's always on sale. Now guys, if you saw my video from Whole Foods, this is an amazing product. This is one of the things I covered, and this is the Siete grain-free cookies. These are the chocolate chips. These are incredible, but you're getting a 4.5 ounce bag for $5 at Whole Foods. This is a 16 ounce bag for $9.89. The ingredients are just as good. You have the grain-free flour blend, almond flour, tapioca, cassava, and you have chickpea. And then you have chocolate chips. There is a bit of cane sugar in there. It's made with olive oil, apple cider vinegar, sea salt, Mexican vanilla extract. Now, Mexican vanilla extract is known to have a richer, spicier, slightly smokiness to it versus the Madagascar vanilla. So it's absolutely amazing. And then you have, of course, baking soda, jasmine tea extract, 150 calories, 7 grams of added sugar, a little higher than I would like it to be. Just keep in mind, this is a cookie. It's a healthier option as a cookie, not something you want to eat on a regular basis, but it's a nice treat. Again, 16 ounce bag, $9.89, a phenomenal deal. Another great little sweet treat of mine is the seed and nut flour sweet thins. These are the chocolate brownie by Simple Mills. I'm a big fan of Simple Mills, as I showed you in the Whole Foods video, but 12 thins, 6 grams of added sugar. But just look at that those ingredients: watermelon, cashew, sunflower, flax, a little bit of coconut sugar, tapioca starch, arrowroot, cocoa butter, Dutch baking soda, rosemary extract, vanilla extract, sea salt. $9.79. 14 ounce bag. Again, a phenomenal deal. Not even on sale. These are great deals. So guys, one of the things I covered at Whole Foods was the Jackson sweet potato chips. I think I was a 6 ounce bag for the same price as it is here. This is the 16 ounce bag. Same exact chip. 3 ingredients: sweet potatoes, avocado oil, and sea salt. Great little chip. $5.89 for a 16 ounce bag. That's a phenomenal deal. Again, the comparison is vast when you look at the two. I know this is what makes shopping at Costco such a great thing. Another one. Take a look at this, the Boulder Canyon. This is the Canyon Cut, the one I like, the little thicker, wavier chip. Absolutely incredible. This is the avocado oil classic sea salt. 22 ounce bag. Same thing, 3 ingredients: potatoes, avocado oil, sea salt. 22 ounce bag, $6.49. That was $3.99 at Whole Foods for a 6 ounce bag. Another great option to show you here. This is the Siete, the same exact chips I showed you at Whole Foods. Those were a 5 ounce bag for $5.69. This is a 16 or 15 ounce bag, $6.99. This is an incredible deal. This is the beauty of shopping at Costco. Again, same exact thing. The cassava flour blend of cassava flour and cassava starch, avocado oil, coconut flour, chia, sea salt. Just beautiful, simple, easy ingredients. Costco is such a win. Well guys, just want to break into the video just for a second here to say thank you to everybody who has left comments. I love hearing from you and love communicating with you. And if you haven't done so yet, hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos. I appreciate it immensely. Helps me out with the algorithm. So back to the video. Not sure I saw this the other day, but the organic riced cauliflower stir fry by Tattooed Chef on sale. $5.99 for 12 ounce packages until the 23rd. Let's take a look at it. See what we got here. 1 cup, 60 calories. Let's see those ingredients though. Not bad. Very nice. Organic cauliflower stir fry sauce. So a little sauce in there, a little tamari sauce. Everything's organic, which is ideal with this because they have soy and a few things. You have corn, so they're very important for the organics there. Let's see, organic ginger powder, white wine vinegar, organic garlic powder, red peppers, corn, and leek. Very nice. This would be a nice little option to do if throw some chicken in here or something. Nice little meal plan for the night. Again, on sale, $5.99. This is the one I normally buy, just the plain one, and I love to actually add coconut milk in there from Trader Joe's with a little cheese while I'm cooking it down, and I reduce that to a nice thick slurry, and it is absolutely amazing. Can't go wrong though. You're getting 4 pounds, 4 1-pound bags, $7.99. The organic turkey is still here, and it's not on sale, but you can't go wrong. Not on sale, it's still $10.53 per pound. That's a phenomenal deal. But just Dietz and Watson, 9-ounce packages, 3 of them, no nitrite or nitrates. I remember this is a beautiful little ingredients here. Organic turkey, water, and that's it. That's got to be one of the best packages. Well, guys, I'm going to wrap today's video up right here. I just wanted to make this short and sweet. I actually don't even know how long it'll be until I get home and edit it. But again, I just wanted to show you a little side-by-side comparison of some of the products I showed at Whole Foods and then today's video. I think it'll be a really stark contrast, but same great products. And some people just don't have Costco's available to them. So I wanted to be able to show both options for you. So as always, I'm going to leave you as I often do. Keep healthy, living right.